Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about binary search. So we should have to understand the first the array, right? So let's understand. I have taken one. I'm going to take a array 20, 30, 50, and 60, right? I'm going to take a binary search, right? So for the binary search, we should have to take a sorted array, right? You should have to understand these things, right? Without the sorted array you cannot do binary search, right? Why? Because the algorithm that we are going to use in the binary search says that you should have the sorted array only. If not, then it will fail, right? So keep a note this point. Array should have sorted array, right? Sorted array can only allowed in the binary search, right? Only sorted array, you can say only sorted array, right? So how we will do this, the program? Let's understand, right? So we have taken this array, and this array, how we will check? So if the value we are going to search as a, you can say 50, right? If we are going to search in the binary search 50, what we have to do? We have to divide this array part, right? So if we have the first is lowest index, we have lowest index at 0 we have, and the last index is high index, right? I am saying high index, lowest index and high index we can say, right? So we have, and the mid, we should have a mid, right? And mid will be low plus high, low plus high by 2, right? So low is 0 and the last index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 and by 2, so we have 1.5 as a we can say as a result. So it should have the numeric value only. So now we have 1, right? So it will, the mid value will be at index this one, right? 30. Now algorithm is saying ki if the value that we are going to search, that we are going to search is at mid, right? Is at mid, the value is at mid, then what we have to do? We have to return the value and say this value is at mid, right? First, if the value is not mid and it is uh, greater than the mid, right? So what we have to do? We have to uh, update the lowest index equal to mid plus 1, this one, right? And highest index will be at the same position, right? Now we will check that the index, we will check the index is 2 plus 3 by 2, right? It will be 2.5. so 2 will be the mid. So mid is pointing to the same index, index number 2. So if the value is at index mid, right, or you can say the lowest index, then we will return the value. If the value is less than the mid at the time of 30, then we have to update the mid minus 1, right? And lowest index will be same, and highest index will be, sorry, highest index will be mid plus 1, right? Let me clear. I think you have understand now. So I can tell you here we have we have 20, 30, 50 and 100, right? So first algorithm should have if the data is at mid, right? If data is at mid, so we will return the value, right? We will return. If data is not at the mid and it is less than the mid, then highest index, we have to say that highest index is mid minus 1, right? If not, then lowest index would be mid plus 1. Fine. Only 3 conditions should be here, and we should have to iterate these things. So we should have to keep it in the for loop only. So we will iterate these things. Let's go to the code part and understand. So I have created first array, and the array, in the array we are going to search this element 100. So this element is at the index of one of the index of the array, right? Now what we have to do, we have to take lowest index at 0, and the higher index should be length minus 1, array length of array minus 1, and the mid should be lowest index plus highest index by 2, right? These three should have to you can say initialize before the loop, right? Now we are going to use while loop, because if the lowest index is less than highest index, then till that we have to loop that, right? So the first condition should be if the element is at the middle of the index, right? At the mid, then we have to give a console message element found at the middle index, right? If the element is greater than mid, what we have to do? We have to update lower index as mid plus 1, as I have told in the uh, board, right? If not, then update higher index minus 1, right? Higher index would be middle index minus 1, right? Only 2 condition. And update mid index equal to lowest plus index plus highest index by 2, right? And if the lowest index is greater than higher index, it means search is completed and we don't have the element in the array. So let's understand by running the program. Here you can see we found the element at index, right? If you want to search another element, what you have to do? Let's understand. I'm going to pass 1000, and that is not there, right? I'm going to run again. It is not printing, right? So guys, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.